Reject is a short film made by me. There are many times in life when we are being rejected. Rejected in life, rejected in job, rejected at the place where we go for an interview. And all these things are stuck up in my mind. It was always giving me this kinds of thoughts that I am a failure in life. And everything was just going on in my life. And I just sat down on my chair one fine day thinking about all this. And there came lots of thoughts in my mind that how bad I am. I even tried to clean my face and stood in the mirror for some time and even thinking of what I'm turning to. Sat on my chair again to do my work, overthinking. I met two people at that time. One was Satan sent a demon. So the demon told me that my life seemed to be good and it's going to be very good if I take the pill. And all of a sudden there was one more person came behind, said to me that son, don't take this pill. This pill is just going to browse your life off. It's just going to melt you down in hell. And don't take this. And the conversation continued. And I didn't listen to the angel's voice, I listened to the devil's voice, and I took that. And days went on. I just kept walking in this stupid room. I just kept roaming here and there. I just kept thinking about all these things, shouting, screaming, thinking about all these things in my life that I am very bad. I'm not a good person. I've never done anything good. And I always kept on thinking I should have not taken the pill. The pill that took me to hallucination, the pill that took me to some other vibrant world, some other vintage world, and I should have not taken that. I felt so happy in that because as an artist, you can find that artists are always addicted to something, and I was addicted to that, and it took away a part of my life, and I just felt I'm just shouting. The voices inside me were screaming. The voices were saying that I am bad, I am not good, I am not a good artist, I am a failure, I am a stubborn person. People hate me, people just throw me away, people just kick me away, and this is what I am. I am a failure. These were the voices inside my mind, and it made me to shout each and every time. I just felt so unbalanced in life. I felt that I am just kicking myself away. And that one fine day, I took a bedsheet, rolled it on, thought that I could just end this up. I don't want to live any life. I was just seeing the Bible, and there came verses in the Bible. Due to a very heavy wind, the windows were open. And due to a heavy wind, the Bible pages flipped to a place where Elijah was saying to God, I need death. And God gave him a different kind of place instead of giving him death. He took him in a fiery chariot to heaven. And that was the biggest changing of my life. When we run away from God, God shows us some part that He really wants us. And that's when things happened. As soon as I fell down on the floor, prayed, said that Lord, what was I going to do? I am a sinner. Accept me as I am. And as soon as I finished praying, I got a phone call. A bigger company just phoned to me and said to me that we have seen your work on Instagram and you are a pretty good artist. Would you like to work with us? And I was totally shocked at one moment doing all these things. And suddenly there came a call saying to me that we want to work with you. And I was so happy. I just said to him, Sir, I was actually about to end my life. And I shared to him the gospel that I was actually about to end my life and something really happened. Failures and struggles and rejections are there in life. You need to move on, you need to focus on God, wait for His perfect time. I am literally changed after this and never touched to what things that had been in my past.